Okay, today we're here at Knott's Farm, and I got one of the food items for Knott's Farm, and this is called the Twinkie of Terror. And it's supposed to be deep fried Twinkies with vanilla soft serve and raspberry sauce. It's $9.99. I did get two. It actually said Twinkie one, and I got this at the Gourmet Churro Factory. So it's kind of warm today. That's why it used to be like drizzled, the sauce. Now it's like all pooled at the bottom. Okay. Oh, I have to pick it up. I think they did not batter these Twinkies at all. They just threw them in the fryer. So, yeah, that's the cream coming out of the bottom. Okay, let me try it. It's a little crunchy, but not too crunchy. Yeah, I think it's a little oily. Let me try the other one because it looks more burnt. This one's a little more burnt on the bottom. Oh yeah, let me try some with the soft serve on it. A little different than deep fried. Usually when is they're battered and then they're fried so that all the stuff won't go into the oil. Also keeps it together better. But they did give us two. They just taste just a little bit oily. They make them right then, so you know it's not sitting there. They give you a lot of ice cream. I don't think you could eat it with a... Oh, no. Just came apart. Here's some of the inside cream. So, let's see. I don't think this was quite well thought out. But it tastes pretty good, I guess. But, you know, it's not the best. Because it does taste a little, what do you call it, oily. And they probably can't have fried it that much because I'm sure the stuff on the inside is going to start coming out and getting all into the fryer. But anyways, I think I'll give these maybe like a B. So if you want to try it out, you can actually share this because they do give you two Twinkies and quite a bit of ice cream here. So for $9.99, it's not a bad deal. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.